president of the Nihu Manipur Student Union here in Nihu. So it's been like 4 days that USO and along with the KSO has started the hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike and total shutdown of the university campus, demanding the removal of those illegal appointments and the make changes, reforms. So today we started a small initiative that we want change. We want change in a positive way so that the university will bring back to normalcy as soon as possible. So, and then also at the same time solve the problems of all these illegal appointments, removing all those illegal appointments like registers and bring changes. So we also a small community studying in the Nihu, and like other communities also, we also support the cause of NUSO that fight for. So that's why we have a small candlelight prayer so that our prayers are reached to the God to give us courage, strength to fight until we get justice. Thank you.